We are from Maqbool Solutions, a software company. In today's video, we'll learn how to maintain supplier ledgers in the point-of-sale software. So, who are suppliers? Also known as vendors, these are the parties from whom you make purchases. Now, in business, purchases can happen in two ways, either in cash or on credit, right? And when it's on credit, that's when the party ledgers come into play in the software. Whenever you make a new purchase and receive goods, an invoice is generated. Let's say the bill amount is Rs. 15,570. You'll enter the amount paid in the paid field. We've already explained the purchase process in earlier videos. You can check those out for a deeper understanding. In the supplier name field, either choose an existing party or click Add Supplier to create a new one. Just enter the party name. If you're paying at the time of purchase, enter that amount right there. Paid the full amount? Great. It's treated as a cash transaction and won't go to the ledger. Ledger entries, only when it's on credit. That means the paid field should be 0. Made a partial payment? No problem. Enter the amount, and when you save the transaction, it'll automatically show up in the supplier's ledger. Next time you make a bill for the same supplier, the software will show you any previous outstanding amount, and the new bill will be added on top. No payment made this time? Just leave the paid field empty. When you generate a payable report, it'll show you the previous balances too, like a total of Rs. 66,26,000. How clear is that? Now, payments can be recorded in two ways, either at the time of billing or later on separately. Want to record a separate payment? Just go to Suppliers, Accounts Payables. You'll see all your credit transactions there. Let's say you've made 2 previous purchases. They'll both be listed along with the current total balance. Now, if you made a lump sum payment, click on Adjustment. The current date will appear by default, but yes, you can select an older date too. Enter the bill number if you have it, select the supplier name, and the software will auto-fetch the current balance. Enter the amount, and in the comment field, you can add any note or reference, totally optional. Then just click Save and Print to save and get a receipt, or save if you don't want to print. Paid through bank? No worries. Just select the bank name, enter the slip reference number, and add any extra info in the description field. Enter the amount and hit Save or Save and Print. Easy. What if there's no actual purchase but you want to record a payable? Use the payable entry, for example, for an expense or manual adjustment. Enter the amount and give a reason in the description field. A positive entry means an increase in the supplier's balance. A negative entry, that means a payment was made, decreasing the balance. Got a discount at the end of the year? Let's say a 2% discount. Enter that in the discount field and add a note in comments. Hit Save, and this will reflect in your profit and loss report later. All adjustments, payments, or discounts can be edited later using the adjustment option, but only if you have admin access. Want to delete something? Head to Reports, find the entry using the reference, and delete it from there. To print the supplier ledger, just click Report. You'll see a list of all transactions, payments, adjustments, discounts, and you can view, print, or even export it as a PDF. You can filter by date, daily, the monthly, yearly, or see everything. Search by supplier name, and boom, the ledger appears. If it doesn't, click Search Record and apply the correct filter. Want to see all transaction details of a specific supplier? Go to Accounts Payables, search their name, and there it is. To check how much you owe each supplier, go to Supplier Outstanding instead of Payables. It'll show the total pending amounts, all in one view. Click Zero Outstanding if you want to see suppliers who've been fully paid. These are usually hidden by default. This list may also show suppliers to whom you've paid in advance or are waiting for delivery. Need to see overdue payments? The overdue payment limit report will show suppliers who haven't been paid on time. Just search their name and get the full report, even exported as a PDF. Want to save it? Press Ctrl+S, choose your location, like desktop, and done. Send it via WhatsApp or print it directly. Choose your printer, select A4, and you're good to go. Need to edit supplier details like name, phone number, or opening balance? Go to Supplier Details, click Edit, and make the changes. The opening balance is the supplier's amount before any new transactions. Once it's set, you rarely need to revisit supplier details. Most of your work happens in accounts payables and outstanding reports. That's all for today's video. We'll explore more amazing features in the next one. Until then, bye-bye and happy accounting with Maqbool Solutions.